Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Hello, my name is Laura Williams. You don't know me, but I'm from the future, the year 3011. I'm a historian and I'm researching the past of the lovely country of Wales. It really is an exciting place. But I'm afraid I have a problem. Our main library was hit by a meteorite storm and it didn't survive. My task is to replace all the information. As you can imagine, this is a huge task, and I want to be able to make our library much better than it was before. Can you help me? Can you take up the challenge? Can you be my history detectives? I can send you some information through the time converter to help you. I really would appreciate it. Thank you, ancestors. Let the mission begin.